Hello, hello, my lovely people. Welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Flavor. Let me turn this off so you can hear me. So I'm bringing you in really quickly. I have here some, what do you call it? Like bacon and some onions, and I am using some elephant garlic. It's not as potent as your regular garlic. And I'm getting ready to saute some collard greens. I have already washed them, taken the stem off, and cut them. Is add them in here. You'll notice, you'll notice that it looks like it's a lot as you put them in, but you put them in for a little bit and then you kind of stir them around a little bit until they start wilting down, and then you add the rest of them. Oh, here you go. Just a couple of little bit of pepper flakes I like to add for a little bit of spiciness, but not too much, just a hint. You can see how much it has wilted down. So now I'm gonna add the rest of them. And I'll keep working it. It will only take a couple of minutes. It really doesn't take long for them to cook down. And that's what I'm looking for. Now, there are options where you can add some rough chopped cabbage, which I have done that as well. And I love it like that too. But this is just a simple way of making it. You can also add peppers if you like. Honestly, you add whatever your little heart desires. I bought 3 bundles, I should say, of collards and washed them. A tip to give you: when I bought the collards, they look a little bit wilted, the leaves did. So what I did when I came home, I cut some of the stem at the bottom off and I placed them in a jar with water, cold water, and let them hang out overnight, and they hydrated all over again, nice and stiff and nice and really nice, like I just picked them from my garden, which I didn't, and bought them at the store. But you get the picture. That's something that you might want to do if you see that they look a little bit wilted at the store. Just go ahead and place them in a mason jar with cold water, but cut a little bit of the stem off first so that so the water can absorb. But anyway, let me add the rest of these collards and I'll bring you back when it's all done. And here you have it, guys, all done. It is amazing. I like to eat it just like this, or I make some rice and put it with rice, or however you want to eat it, but I love it this way. There's not a whole lot of drippings or anything like that. That's how I like it, but you can certainly make it your own. Anyway, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you.